Okay, so forgive the glitch there. I hit the wrong button or something. I want to do this final example for you about freeways. In this one, we're looking for the design hourly volume, so the directional design hourly volume on a section of freeway. It's 4-lane divided, so 2 lanes each direction. They're 11-foot lanes, 8-foot shoulders. So we know that the width is not ideal. The clearance is. Interchange is 1 per mile, so that's not ideal. Free flow speed ideal is 70. The expected traffic mix are these, and we've got a peak hour factor, and we want to attain level of service C. So what volume would cause that? So the first thing that we can do, knowing that it's a 5% grade, 1¼ miles long, with percent trucks of 11%, can find the equivalent trucks for the problem. So we can calculate the heavy vehicle factor. This could have been a sequence of grades. It doesn't matter, right? Whatever it is, we can now find it. Okay. And the free flow speed is given by this equation, tables 9, 1, and 2. We've got lane width and lateral clearance, and then the spacing of ramps. And of course, lane width was less than ideal, so we subtract a little bit. People on average slow down in narrower lanes. The lateral clearance is fine. That's more than 6 feet. And then the 1 mile, every mile we have a ramp. I think it was 1 per mile, so that causes this to happen. So the free flow speed is 70.3 miles per hour. We estimate. So 70 miles per hour is the value that we would use for free flow speed. But for level of service C with a 70 mile per hour free flow speed, we would use S rather than F, the free flow speed, in the calculation of density, because that dividing line falls beyond, well, the level of service C falls beyond that dividing line that we saw on the flow curves. Okay, so if we plug in, just like before, if we plug in the density for level of service C is 24. The directional design hour, the volume is unknown. We've got the peak hour factor and the heavy vehicle factor, 2 lanes in each direction. And then this whole thing is the equation for speed, where this inside here is the V sub P, the passenger car equivalence, right? And this is the equation for speed at 70 mile per hour free flow speed. And if we solve for the directional design hourly volume, we come out with 1,930 vehicles per hour. That means at a maximum we can accommodate that number of vehicles per hour and still stay within the level of service C designation. Okay. What about if we wanted to find the capacity of this road? Well, we could just solve for V sub P. Clearly, we would need to use speed in this case, not free flow speed, because we're at capacity, we're well beyond that dividing line. And so basically just solve for V sub P, 2,400 vehicles per hour, the speed comes out to 53 at capacity. And then plug that into the equation for V sub P and solve for the design hourly volume of 2,844. So that's it. That's it for freeway analysis. The next set of videos will be on queuing. Okay.